Today, I'll show you how to zoom in Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Now open the PDF file you want to view. Once the PDF is open, look near the top toolbar. You should see zoom controls, usually shown as a minus button, a plus button, and a percentage number. To zoom in, click the plus button. Each time you click it, the PDF will become larger on your screen. You can also click the percentage box and choose a zoom level from the drop-down menu. For example, you can choose 100%, 125%, 150%, or 200%. If you want to type a custom zoom level, click inside the percentage box, enter the number you want, and press Enter. You can also use keyboard shortcuts. On Windows, press Ctrl+ to zoom in. On Mac, press Command+ to zoom in. To zoom out, press Ctrl- on Windows or Command- on Mac. Another option is to use the View menu. Click View at the top of the screen. Go to Zoom, then choose the zoom option you want. You may see options like Zoom in, Zoom out, Fit Page, Fit Width, or Actual Size. Choose Fit Width if you want the PDF to fill the width of the window. Choose Fit Page if you want the full page to fit on the screen. If you are using a mouse with a scroll wheel, you may also be able to hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac and scroll up to zoom in. After zooming in, use the scroll bars or mouse wheel to move around the page. So, to keep it simple, open your PDF, click the plus button in the toolbar, choose a zoom percentage, or use Ctrl+ on Windows and Command+ on Mac. And that's how you zoom in Adobe Acrobat. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.